Waya luxury houseboat. That makes things much clearer. The Waya luxury houseboat sounds like a fantastic option for experiencing life on the water. Here's what I can tell you about it. Traditional wooden houseboat design, expect rustic charm, spacious decks, and panoramic views. Think cozy cabins and open-air spaces rather than sleek minimalism. Focus on outdoor living and adventure, large sun decks, kayaks, and paddleboards available, barbecue facilities are common features. It's all about soaking up the natural beauty and enjoying activities on the water. Connection with nature, immerse yourself in the surroundings, whether it's a serene lake or a winding river. The Waya experience is about slowing down and appreciating the outdoors. Size and capacity, typically larger than the Waterlodge Modern 11, accommodating larger groups or families comfortably. Amenities, comfortable bedrooms and living spaces, a kitchen, bathrooms, spacious outdoor decks with seating and lounging areas. Some may offer hot tubs, fireplaces, or even saunas for an extra touch of luxury. Activities, kayaking, paddleboarding, swimming, fishing, and exploring the surrounding areas are all popular options. Some Waya houseboats may be located near hiking trails or other outdoor attractions. Waterlodge Modern 11 Luxury Houseboat. The Waterlodge Modern 11 is a luxurious houseboat that is perfect for singles, couples, or small families who want to enjoy life on the water in style. It has over 285 square feet of living space, with 1 to 2 bedrooms, a lavish bathroom, a spacious living room and kitchen, and an optional terrace. It can sleep up to 6 people and can even be fully or partially self-supporting and live off the grid for up to 3 days. The outdoor space is just as impressive as the interior. The large terrace is perfect for relaxing and enjoying the fresh air, and the rooftop deck is the perfect spot for sunbathing or stargazing. If you're looking for a unique and luxurious way to experience life on the water, the Waterlodge Modern 11 is the perfect choice. Here are some of the key features of the Waterlodge Modern 11. 285+ square feet of living space. 1 to 2 bedrooms. 1 bathroom. Sleeps up to 6 people. Fully or partially self-supporting. Can live off the grid for up to 3 days. "80-feet luxury houseboat by Bravada." The 80-feet luxury houseboat by Bravada, also known as the Invictus, is truly a masterpiece of design and engineering. It's not just a houseboat, it's a floating palace ready to whisk you away on an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Spacious opulence. Step aboard and prepare to be wowed by the sheer scale and luxury of this 3,200 square foot marvel spread across 2.5 levels. Imagine 5 plush staterooms, each a sanctuary of comfort with its own private in-suite bathroom. 2 fully equipped kitchens cater to your culinary desires, while a spacious living area invites gatherings and laughter. Unforgettable experiences. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sunrise views from your king-size bed, the gentle rocking of the boat lulling you to sleep each night. Picture Dutchcat Houseboat. Dutchcat They offer something a bit different in the houseboat world compared to the MX.4. While the MX.4 focuses on sleek, modern luxury, Dutchcat takes a more traditional approach with a focus on functionality and practicality. Model: currently, they only offer one model, the Dutchcat 12. It's a 13-meter, 42.6 feet, motor yacht with a spacious layout and sturdy construction. Focus on functionality, think comfortable living quarters, ample storage space, and a large sun deck, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Environmentally friendly. While not fully electric like the MX.4, Dutchcat boats prioritize low fuel consumption and emissions reduction. Houseboat sales: they primarily focus on selling new and used Dutchcat 12 boats. Boat rentals: depending on their availability, you might be able to rent a Dutchcat 12 for your vacation or weekend getaway. Dreamscape Houseboat. The Dreamscape Houseboat is a custom-designed catamaran, offering spacious living areas and plenty of outdoor decks to soak up the scenery. Here are some specific observations I can make. Exterior design. Sleek and modern, the houseboat has a streamlined silhouette with clean lines and a contemporary feel. The predominantly white exterior with pops of blue gives it a fresh and airy look. Spacious decks, the multiple decks offer ample space for relaxation and outdoor activities. The large aft deck with comfortable seating and a dining area looks perfect for al fresco meals and enjoying the views. The upper deck with a hot tub and sun lounges seems ideal for soaking up the sun and taking in the panoramic vistas. Interior glimpses. Open and airy, the large windows and open floor plan on the main deck create a sense of spaciousness and allow natural light to flood the interior. Modern amenities, the glimpse of the kitchen suggests modern appliances and sleek countertops, hinting at a luxurious and comfortable living space. MX.4 Houseboat. The MX.4 by Moat manufacture is a stunning luxury houseboat that redefines modern living on the water. It's not just a houseboat, it's a floating masterpiece, a testament to innovative design and eco-conscious engineering. Timeless design, crafted by renowned Dutch architect Kees Westerbeek, the MX.4 boasts a sleek, minimalist silhouette that blends seamlessly with any waterfront. Expansive windows flood the interior with natural light, creating a connection with the surrounding seascape. Eco-friendly credentials, sustainability is at the core of the MX.4. It's 100% electric, powered by a sophisticated battery system that ensures quiet, emission-free operation. Additionally, the boat utilizes recycled materials and boasts energy-efficient features throughout. Luxurious comfort. Step inside the MX.4, and you'll be greeted by a haven of comfort and sophistication. High-quality furnishings, natural materials, and exquisite craftsmanship create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious layout features multiple bedrooms, a living area, a dining area, and a fully equipped kitchen, all designed to cater to your every whim. Platinum Indulgence Houseboat. The Platinum Indulgence Houseboat sounds like a truly decadent escape, offering a 5-star resort experience right on the water. From what I've gathered, here are some highlights. Accommodations fit for royalty. 6 spacious king bedrooms, each with their own private in-suite bathroom and personal TV, DVD. Imagine waking up to serene river views from your luxurious bed. Executive living at its finest, promising complete comfort and indulgence. A private resort on the top deck. Upstairs haven with a luxury spa, sunbeds for soaking up the sun, and a gourmet barbecue for al fresco dining with friends and family. Helm deck for taking the wheel and enjoying the thrill of navigating the river. Huge entertaining area complete with a bar for hosting unforgettable evenings under the stars. Year-round enjoyment. Upstairs outdoor heating and pull-down side curtains ensure comfort regardless of the season. Additional perks. Free Wi-Fi and Spotify keep you connected and entertained. Free Polycraft runabout hire lets you explore the surrounding waters in style. Après Houseboat Launch. The Après Houseboat launch was a momentous occasion, marking the arrival of a luxurious and innovative vessel to the world of houseboating. The Après is a masterpiece of design and engineering, and its launch was met with much excitement and anticipation. The Après is the brainchild of Status Luxury Houseboats, a company known for its commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The houseboat is packed with features that are sure to please even the most discerning traveler, including spacious and comfortable accommodations for up to 12 guests, a stunning rooftop deck with panoramic views, a jacuzzi and swim platform for enjoying the water, a fully equipped kitchen for preparing gourmet meals, a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The launch of the Après took place in November 2019, at the Island Boat Show in Australia. The event was a huge success, with hundreds of people coming to admire the houseboat and learn more about its features. The Après is sure to be a popular choice for those looking for a luxurious and unforgettable houseboating experience. SummerSun Boat. The SummerSun is a catamaran houseboat, known for its stability and spaciousness. Imagine gliding effortlessly across the water, enjoying the views from both sides of your floating home. Accommodating comfort, it can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests, with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms to ensure everyone has their own space. Perfect for a family vacation or a trip with friends. Open-air living, the SummerSun boasts a spacious rear deck, ideal for soaking up the sun, enjoying al fresco meals, and taking in the surrounding vistas. Indoor delights, inside, you'll find a cozy living area with comfortable seating and a well-equipped kitchen to whip up delicious meals. Imagine cozy evenings spent playing games or watching movies while the gentle rocking of the boat lull you into relaxation. Water fun awaits, a swim platform and easy access to the water make it easy to take a dip or enjoy water sports right from your doorstep. Iconic luxury houseboat. The iconic luxury houseboat sounds like a floating palace ready to make your river dreams come true. Its 2-story design and impressive features promise an unforgettable experience filled with comfort, style, and adventure. Here's what I dug up. Imagine stepping aboard and being greeted by opulent furnishings, sleek marble countertops, and panoramic views of the river. With 6 king bedrooms, each boasting its own en-suite bathroom and private TV, you'll feel like royalty even when off land. Outdoor paradise. The real magic unfolds on the top deck. Picture a spacious sun lounge inviting you to soak up the sun, a heated spa waiting to melt your worries away, and al fresco dining under the stars on the expansive back deck. Feeling adventurous? Dive in for a swim from the platform, or take the helm and captain your own river journey.